Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about ionic structure. An ionic compound is a giant structure of ions. The ions have regular repeated arrangement. This repeating arrangement of the ions is ionic lattice. The lattice is formed because the ion attracts each other and form a regular pattern with the oppositely charged ion next to each other. That is, in other words, it can be stated as when the basic units repeat again and again to form a crystal. Now, what is this basic unit? Basic unit is the smallest unit of the lattice which represents the entire property of crystal. This basic unit is known as unit cell. A structure of ions in crystals can be determined by two principal factors. One is the relative size of ion. Second is the ratio of oppositely charged ions. That is the ratio of cations and the ratio of anions. Basically, we have two types of ionic crystal. One is your AX type and other is your AX2 type. In AX type, both the ions are having same valency. That is, the coordination number of both the ions will be same in AX type. In this, we will study about the sodium chloride type of a structure, zinc sulfide type of a structure, and cesium chloride type of a structure. Here, the coordination number of sodium will be the same as the coordination number of the chloride. Here, the coordination number of zinc will be the same as the coordination number of sulfide ion. Similarly, here in the cesium chloride, the coordination number of cesium will be the same of the coordination number of the chloride ion. In sodium chloride type of a structure, the radius ratio which we have done earlier, it is found to be 0.52. That is, as per this radius ratio, now, we can assume that the sodium chloride will have octahedral geometry. Here, a sodium ion is surrounded by 6 chloride ions. Similarly, a chloride ion is surrounded by 6 sodium ions. Hence, the coordination number for sodium is 6 and the same for the chloride ions. This type of arrangement is known as 6-6 arrangement. In sodium chloride, we have a cubic closed packing structure, and such type of a structure can be seen like that. Here it is a sodium ion which is surrounded by 6 chloride ions. This is the basic unit of sodium chloride. This can be also represented by like this. Here we have seen that there is a dotted line which represents that this chloride ion is on the back side and this is in the front side of the boat. Second comes the zinc sulfide type of structure. In zinc sulfide type of a structure, the coordination number of zinc is 4. That is, a zinc is surrounded by 6 sulfide ion, and similarly a coordination number of sulfide ion is also 4. That is, again, means that 4 zincs ion will surround a sulfide ion. This type of arrangement is known as 4:4 arrangement. Here we are having the two types of structures. For zinc sulfide, one is your zinc blended type of structure, and other is your woodside type of structure. In zinc blended structure and the woodside structure, it is having a tetrahedral structure. That is, a zinc ion is surrounded by 4 sulfide ions, or a sulfide ion is surrounded by 4 zinc ions. In zinc blended structure, it is a cubic system, and here in the woodside type, it is arranged in the hexagonal type. That is, having the same thing, but the arrangement is here in the cube and here it is in the hexagon. The radius ratio for the zinc sulfide was 0.40. Next comes the cesium chloride type of a structure. Cesium chloride type of a structure. Here the coordination number of cesium is 8, and the same is for the chloride ion. Here we will have the radius ratio is equal to 0.93. This is your 8:8 type of arrangement. Here a cesium ion is surrounded by 8 chloride ions, and the chloride ion is surrounded by 8 cesium. Now, here we will have a body-centered type of structure. Here we have shown a cesium ion, and this is the white dots are showing the chloride ions. This is the body-centered structure. Next comes AX2 type of arrangement. In AX2 type of arrangement, the number of anions are twice the number of cation. That is, we will study here the type of compounds like CF2, titanium oxide type of compounds are studied here. In such type of compounds, the coordination number of cation is just twice the coordination number of the anion. CF2 type of structure. In CF2 molecule, a calcium ion is surrounded by 8 chloride ions. Thus, the coordination number of calcium ion is 8. And the chloride ion is surrounded by 4 calcium ions. That is, the coordination number of chloride ion is 4. In this, the radius ratio is found to be 0.73. Here the coordination number of both the cation in the anion are different. In this calcium chloride molecule, we will have the arrangement of 8:4 type of arrangement we will see. The radius ratio is 0.73, hence it will be having the cubic structure. And again we can represent the structure for the calcium ion like this. It will be a body-centered structure. For the fluoride ion, since the coordination number is 4, it will be having a tetrahedral structure. In titanium oxide, that is TiO2, molecule, the coordination number for the titanium is just double the coordination number of oxide. Here, the 6th oxide ion is surrounding a titanium ion. Titanium here is present in +4 oxidation state, and it is surrounded by 6 oxide ions. That is, the coordination number of titanium +4 ion will be 6. Whereas 3 titanium ions are surrounding 1 oxide ion. Thus, the coordination number for the oxide ion will be 3. And its arrangement will be 6:3. In titanium oxide molecule, the radius ratio for the titanium is found to be between 0.73 and 0.41. That is, in this the radius ratio what we are finding from between 0.73 to 0.41. The radius ratio lies in this range. For the titanium ion, the arrangement will be like this. That is, the titanium will be in the octahedral position, and for the oxide ion, we will be having a planar type of a structure. That is, an oxide ion is here, and it is surrounded by 3 titanium ions. That is, we will be having a planar structure for the compounds. Few compounds like silicon oxide, beryllium fluoride have the coordination number 4 and 2 respectively. And here the radius ratio comes out to be 0.41. This is about the ionic structure. In the next video, we will study about the crystal defects. Thank you.